Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Meta Platforms. The report was first published on our website April 27, 2022, but this is a more detailed version which also includes some fundamental data you need to know. In this 7 to 10 minute long video we give you the information you need to know about Meta Platforms for the upcoming trading day on Thursday 28th, like support and resistance levels, signals, chart analysis, price to earnings ratios, and possible trading levels. Make sure you watch the entire report so you don't miss out on some key information needed for your trading. Please remember to subscribe so we can continue to grow and give you these free videos. Make sure to hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new video. Now just sit back, relax, listen and watch the screen as we will show you some interesting data as we move along with the report. In this section you will get some information about the current Meta Platforms performance to better understand where the stock is right now. In our systems, the Meta Platforms stock currently holds a -5.427 score, and our system has ranked Meta Platforms sell candidates since April 20, 2022. In this period the stock has had a loss of -12.71%. This is an average return of -2.12% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Meta Platforms, our last headline reads, Meta Platforms Incorporated stock downgraded from sell candidate to strong sell candidate after Wednesday trading session. The Meta Platforms Incorporated stock price fell by -3.32% on the last day, Wednesday, April 27, 2022, from $180.95 to $174.95, and has now fallen 3 days in a row. During the day the stock fluctuated 7.22% from a day low at $169 to a day high of $181.21. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by -18.3% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 40 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 71 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $12.50 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $384.33, and the lowest price was $169. Right now the price is 54.48%, or $209.38, below 52-week high at $384.33, which also is all-time high for the stock. The Meta Platforms stock trends, predictions and analyst ratings. Soon we will give you the analyst ratings for the stock, but first the trends. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -18.03% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -23.57% and 4.18%. The 12-month trend indicates a -32.73% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -34.38% and 12.66%. This equals a price between $114.80 and $197.10 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Meta Platforms stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment the analysts give the Meta Platforms stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Meta Platforms. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. There are few to no technical positive signals at the moment. The Meta Platforms Incorporated stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $190.40 and $209.51. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, April 4, 2022, and so far it has fallen -25.20%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 17 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 4 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 6 days. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 84 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 144 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Meta platforms. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and given the right condition the stock may perform very badly in the next couple of days. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $12.21 between high and low, or 7.22%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 6.91%. The stock has a beta of 1.39. This tells us that Meta Platforms is 0.39 times more volatile than the market. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Meta Platforms. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Meta Platforms currently has a price-earning ratio of 16.07. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Meta Platforms meets first resistance at $188.07. If you do not hold Meta Platforms shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. The stock does not have any support from accumulate volume below and may therefore fall very hard and fast given the right conditions. Caution is warned, and you should not place any bet unless you're a skilled trader and know how to play these cases. Other levels you should watch based on the famous Fibonacci model are: buy at $170.39, $167.51, $162.84. Sell at $179.72, $182.60, $187.26. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Meta Platforms is buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. The 5 latest insides trades have been done by Nusta Jennifer, whom have bought and sold 89,428 shares or options in the company. Please go to our webpage at StockInvest.us to find more details about the trades. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 33.456. In total, the insiders bought 669,734 and sold 338,239 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Meta Platforms stock a buy? Meta Platforms Incorporated holds several negative signals and is within a very wide and falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a sell to a strong sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Thursday 28th, we expect Meta Platforms to open up 10 cents and start trading at $175.05. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.